Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Provincial Congress of the Association of Salesian Cooperators ASC was held in Lima, Peru from 21st to 23rd July, involving local councillors and their delegates from the different centres in the country, and the Liana Almendras, World Councillor for the Caribbean region, and Veronica Marino, Executive Secretary for the Caribbean region, as well as Provincial Coordinator for Ecuador. The aim of this Congress was to respond to the call of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, to begin a process of restructuring the local centres under the motto, "In communion we renew our history." The response of the ASCs was positive and several centres were restructured with a view to better service. The Congress was also attended by Father Juan Pablo Alcas, Superior of the Salesian Province of Peru, Sister Elsie Nunes Espinoza, FMA Provincial, connecting virtually, and the ASC Provincial Delegate, Sister Elvira Torres, and Father Ricardo Gonzalez. This also follows up the part of preparation for the 150th anniversary of the canonical foundation of the Salesian Cooperators in a joint work between religious and laity that is a fundamental part of the charism. The extended day of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM was held at the Salesian Spirituality Center on 22nd and 23rd July. The day was attended by representatives of the national coordinators and leaders of movement, Salesian animators of students, friends of Dominic Savio and Laura Vicuna, Youth for Youth, animators of Salesian oratories, and Paraguayan explorers of Don Bosco. The extended day is an activity focused on the national coordination teams in which the reports of the movement from the first semester are shared and the second part of the year is planned. At the same time, it is a formation opportunity whose central theme was Salesian youth spirituality. The work also included the revision of the regulations for the formation of the national coordination that animates the movement. Afterwards, the report developed to access the current situation of the SYM came to a conclusion. The day ended with a Eucharistic celebration where Father Mario Villalba, Superior of the Paraguay province, as the main celebrant. At the end of the Mass, he presented a gift to each participant in memory of the 127th anniversary of the beginning of the Salesian presence in the country. To bring awareness among students on the harsh realities of life and encourage them to do their small part to lessen social inequalities in the neighborhood, the staff and students of Don Bosco Junior School, Yerwada, Pune, in association with the NGO Being Volunteer, took part in the Feed the Needy and Education for All drive on July 22nd. Talented in culinary art, 19 students gathered at the Being Volunteer office to work together on the Feed the Needy project with the help of Mr. Leo De Souza, Miss Pearl Fernandez, and 3 other volunteers. The staff and members of the Being Volunteer team divided the students into 4 groups, each with a specific task to complete. One group canvassed nearby communities to gather 116 kg of all newspapers and magazines. They then sorted and sold them to raise money to purchase school supplies for homeless children. World Youth Day WYD, which will take place in Lisbon, Portugal from 1st to 6 August 2023, is now in the final stages of preparation before the start. The Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Spain, with 2,200 young participants, will join this great worldwide event of enormous importance for the Church around Pope Francis to witness to their fate. We are now very close to the WYD, and we hope that all the preparations made have helped us to ready our hearts to live this deeply spiritual and markedly ecclesial experience intensively, shared the coordination team of the Spanish SYM, offering some guidelines and organizational criteria for the Salesian pilgrimage to Lisbon. 21 Salesians, 18 priests and 3 brothers, and a priest from the Confederation of the Oratory of St. Philip Neri met for the 3rd edition of the seminar on the centrality of the Eucharist in the Salesian Charism from 23rd to 26 July 2023 at the Salesian work in Lazio in the province of Savona. It was based on the writings and testimony of the servant of God, Vera Grita, Salesian cooperator, whose centenary of birth is celebrated this year, Rome, 28 January 1923. The meeting, coordinated by Father Pierluigi Cameroni, Postulator General for the Causes of Saints of the Salesian Family, concluded the online initiative to explore the 28th General Chapter of the Congregation on the urgent need to make the Da Mihi Animas Cetera Tole, a reality in the proclamation of the Gospel, organized by the Work of Living Tabernacles Study Center and the Conference of Salesian Province of Italy CISI Formation Sector. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.